Hello goddesses, welcome back to my channel. Today we will be doing a video on a glueless lace closure install, of course featuring hair from my hair company, The Rey Effect. We will be having a Juneteenth sale coming up soon, so please make sure that you subscribe to us through email and also follow us on Instagram as well. We'd love to have you guys over there. Things about to get turned up for The Rey Effect. Some great things are happening, so make sure you guys don't miss out. So head over there Instagram and follow me on The Rey Effect at The Rey Effect, and support your girl over there. Not much to this video. Let me just go ahead and thank everybody for tuning in and watching today. I wanted to just do something a little different than giving you guys another silk press video. I do hair extension services from sew-ins, quick weaves, and micro length I-tip and micro length weft extension services. So I just wanted to mix it up a little bit today. I know you guys love the silk press videos, but I just wanted to put out more of the different type of services that I offer out there to you guys. So thanks so much for tuning in. If you're new, you know what to do. Make sure you hit that subscribe button, like the video, drop me a comment, let me know what you thought of the video. And if you are returning and been a goddess from day one, thank you guys so much for all of your support and watching another one of my videos. I really do appreciate it.
Can't nobody love you like I do, and can't nobody hate you like me too. Always turning nothing into something I do, when it's always you. But even when I leave, I fall right back into you. Then winter comes right back around. We're always so up and down, down. We're going through phases. I wish I could stay, but the seasons are changing. It's cold. We're going through phases. I wish I could stay, but the seasons are changing. I'm gone.
Cold-blooded, flood my whole heart with your loving. Find me in the thick of it, swimming towards something that I wanted for so long. Never even I needed you this much, but some part of me thinks you've given up on us. Let's call a spade, baby. We're going through phases. I wish I could stay, but the seasons are changing. It's cold. We're going through phases. I wish I could stay, but the seasons are changing. It's
Right on time, we fell right into each other. Couldn't pull myself away, and I know love is blind, so reputation didn't matter. It doesn't matter, does it, babe? But I've always got this feeling in the back of my mind that you'll find someone else and then you'll leave me behind. You're going 'Cause I never had them before I met you. So scared you break my heart. I've never been a girl who is paranoid. Got feelings that I can't avoid. Don't know where I got them. I guess that's why they call them trust issues. Trust issues. I guess that's why they call them trust issues. Don't know where I got them. I guess that's why they call them trust issues. I can't cry over something that's never happened. It's never happened as it plays, so tell me why. Oh, why? I'm making nothing into something. I'm gonna end up pushing you away. But I've always got this feeling in the back of my mind that you'll find someone else and then you'll leave me behind. You're going out and I won't be sleeping tonight. It's harder than I make it look. I guess that's why they call them trust issues. 'Cause I never had them before I met you. So scared you break my heart. I've never been a girl who is paranoid. Got feelings that I can't avoid. Don't know where I got them. I guess that's why they call them trust issues. Trust issues. I guess that's why they call them trust issues. Don't know where I got them. I guess that's why they call them trust issues. Trust issues. I guess that's why they call them trust issues. Trust. Don't know where I got them. I guess that's why they call them trust issues. Call me up, say you're hopping a taxi. You're coming home, yeah, I know that you love me. How am I still doubting everything that we have? I don't wanna be like this. I guess that's why they call them trust issues. 'Cause I never had them before I met you. So scared you break my heart. I've never been a girl who is paranoid. Got feelings that I can't avoid. Don't know where I got them. I guess that's why they call them trust issues. Oh yeah. Trust issues. I'm scared you let I guess that's why they call them trust issues. Say it's true. Don't know where I got them. I guess that's why they call them trust issues. Yeah, I know I look good. Yeah, I look fly. Baby, I'm just your type. I'm a baddie. I'm a baddie. Yeah, I know I look good. Yeah, I look fly. Baby, I'm just your type. I'm a baddie. I'm a baddie. Yeah, I know I look better than all the girls that you knew before. Had your chance, but I'm not playing anymore. Come through, get your bags, let them at the door. Silly boy, silly boy, silly boy. Feeling good, change my hair and you can't ignore. I'm in my bag, shut it to the door. I would be so ahead if we're keeping score. Silly boy, silly boy, silly boy. I don't need a man, yeah, I'm good by myself. Spending this money and I'm made it myself. Now I'm glowed up and you're stuck by yourself. Yeah, I know I look good. Yeah, I look fly. Baby, I'm just your type. I'm a baddie. I'm a baddie. Yeah, I know I look good. Yeah, I look fly. Baby, I'm just your type. I'm a baddie. I'm a baddie. Yeah, I know I look good, good. Yeah, I know I look good, good. Yeah, I know I look. In my cash app for all the time you wasted. Skin so tight, I don't need a facelift. Drip so high, got the diamond bracelet. Got the diamond bracelet. You try to play all these games, but I'm staying woke. You can never keep a job, so you're staying broke. Got my high heels on, so you'll always know. Yeah, you'll always know. I don't need a man, yeah, I'm good by myself. Spending this money and I made it myself.
Now I'm glowed up and you're stuck by yourself. Yeah, I know I look good, yeah, I look fly. Baby, I'm just your type. I'm a baddie. I'm a baddie. Yeah, I know I look good, yeah, I look fly. Baby, I'm just your type. I'm a baddie. I'm a baddie. Yeah, I know I look good, good. Yeah, I know I look good, good. Yeah, I know I look good.
Human beings are magical creatures. We can see what doesn't exist and choose to rise above what is. Unlike any other, humans can feel without having to have actually felt. We can share each other's pain or joy. One might use such a power to destroy, rather than to build up or support.
Lately I've been feeling something gotta change, and I'm tempted to get heathen. Someone to blame, but I don't gotta go that low. Keeping it in control. Got me on my weakest, don't know. Coming back, I'm gonna take what's mine. 'Cause nobody else gonna save my life. See it so clear with my own two eyes. My eyes. I'm not broken, I'm still going. Going up, 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 up. I'll show them I'm not broken, I'm still going. Oh, didn't you know I'll be my own redemption? Yeah. No manipulation. Ooh, I ain't gonna buy it again. So over all the faking, no, no. I ain't got the energy. Why you be testing me? Ooh, now I'm out of patience. Coming back, I'm gonna take what's mine. 'Cause nobody else gonna save my life. See it so clear with my own two eyes. My eyes. I'm not broken, I'm still going. Going up, 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 up. I'll show them I'm not broken, I'm still going. Oh, didn't you know I'll be my own redemption? I'll be
Yeah, I know I look good, yeah, I look fly. Baby, I'm just your type. I'm a baddie. I'm a baddie. Yeah, I know I look good, yeah, I look fly. Baby, I'm just your type. I'm a baddie. I'm a baddie. Yeah, I know I look better than all the girls that you knew before. Had your chance, but I'm not playing anymore. Come through, get your bags, let them at the door. Silly boy, silly boy, silly boy. Feeling good, change my hair and you can't ignore. I'm in my bag, shut it to the yard. I would be so ahead if we're keeping score. Silly boy, silly boy, silly boy. I don't need a man, yeah, I'm good
by myself, spending this money and I'm meeting myself. Now I'm glowed up and you're stuck by yourself. Yeah, I know I look good, yeah, I look fly. Baby, I'm just your type. I'm a baddie. I'm a baddie. Yeah, I know I look good, yeah, I look fly. Baby, I'm just your type. I'm a baddie. I'm a baddie. Yeah, I know I look good, good. Yeah, I know I look good, good. Yeah, I know I look. And my cash out for all the time you wasted. Skin so tight, I don't need a facelift. Drip so high, got the diamond bracelet. Got the diamond bracelet.